both of you together. Okay, stand. Come this way. Yucky girl. Wait, hold on. Yeah, there's a yuckiest smile in the world. Smile properly. Very good. Kaviksha, you smile. Is that smile? Very good. Smile neat. Hello.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody. Like that. Hello, everybody. My name is Kaviksha.
Worst in the world.
Can I help? You really want help? Yeah? Then don't help. What? That's the biggest help. My name is Sudhiksha. Hello everyone, my name is Kaviksha. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make homemade donuts. Let's get started now. These are the ingredients. We need flour, powdered sugar, lemon extract, milk, salt, baking soda, baking powder, butter. First we need to take the flour and keep it in the bowl. Keep it. Kaviksha, can you put the sugar powder? Yes, sure. The sugar is stuck. Now, let's put this baking powder. Baking soda. You will keep it for me? Of course. Take the whole bowl and do like that. Yeah, it's so easy, right? Now it's time to keep the pinch of salt. And keep it. Let's mix now. Mix it. Yeah, now let's mix. We kept everything of the white powder. Yeah, everything is white today. Yeah. Because we are making donuts. That is very white. Now let's pour milk. Pour milk. Wow. It looks so yummy. Okay, I'm ready to mix now. Lemon juice now, Kasha. Okay. Now let's keep lemon juice. Take your hand. Okay. Oh my goodness. Right? There's a lot of white ingredients. Yeah, a lot of white ingredients. I can't see a different color at all. Let's add water to make it into a dough. Let's add butter. So you use a spoon. There you go. And now let's mix it. I'm not going to mix it. Don't worry. We need to knead for 10 minutes. That's a long time. Knead it until it's soft and spongy. Not spongy. We need to cover this for 1 hour. 1 hour is over. Let's check if the dough is ready. Let's open it. Let's feel it. It's soft and spongy. Yeah, it's definitely Let's roll it! Wow! We are rolling now. Wow! You can use a donut shaper or we can use a lid. Let's use a lid. Okay. Now we use the donut. Maybe it won't. Let's see. Let's open it. Wow! It worked! Now let's do the other one. Yeah. We got a cute little toy. Let's keep it and it's a circle. Okay. Let's open it. Roll it. And now open it. Wow! Let's take it out. Nanny. It's all first let's take it out. Hey, wait. Let me keep it in this place. Yeah, now you can roll it. Roll it like this. Do like this. Yeah, like that. Wow, you did it. Now we did the donut shapes. Let's take it. Yeah. Yeah. We got it. It looks like jellyfish, right? But it's not the jellyfish. Yeah, but it looks like jellyfish. Let's fry the donuts. It's getting fried. Let's keep it in the oven. There. Now it will melt. The donuts are fried. Take a donut and dip it in the chocolate. Check it out. Oh wow, it looks super cool. Uh-oh. It's dripping. Don't lick it. That's chocolate donut. I want you to do the white chocolate. First take a donut and look at over here. And so now let's dip it. Look at the donut.
Keep it on the
It's
plate.
super nice. Let's take a donut and let's dip it in the sugar. It's yummy! Time to eat! Yummy! Let me get it. Put it over. Kaviksha has extra chocolate. Uh-oh. Sudhiksha has no more chocolate. I have here. Hey! Take mine. Yeah. That's how you make the yummiest donut. And thanks for watching our video. And don't forget to subscribe.